Hello, welcome to episode 1 of my garden channel. Welcome to episode 1 of my off-grid garden adventure. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Welcome to episode 1 of my off-grid tree farming adventure. Thanks for being here.
Standing in the way of control, y'all let go, that's about the only way that you
What I'm hoping is that over the next few episodes I get much better at filming and editing and talking, and then later on this will become a garden channel of sorts. For now, this is what I've got. Anyone interested in my equipment, any gearheads, I'm using a 7-year-old Apple iPhone 5 with very limited storage and incredibly short battery life. I'm not really an Apple fanboy, I must be honest. All this sort of intentional intrinsic obsolescence and child mining in Africa, that sort of thing. Ooh, sunshine. So my selfie stick is an old building tripod I had hanging around the house from the days when I used to build homes for people. Talking of homes, obviously this one didn't have a level come anywhere near it. If anyone's into it, let me know and I can do an episode on the building of truck shed and a tour of my tiny home. But for today, I don't know, as you can probably see in here, it's a little bit windy in the field, so I am not going to do a walk around at the moment, but once the wind has dropped down, why is it so hard to speak when the camera is rolling? Anyway, once the wind drops down, then I shall take us on a tour from the top of the land. Cool. Alright, thanks for being here. Cue the music. Okay, so the weather got a little wilder. I'll be postponing my garden tour till the next episode. So I understand for most people, footage of water falling from the sky is not the most exciting content. But to be honest, for me this is about as exciting as it gets. I should explain, the first year that I lived here, we had so many storms that my wells overflowed and the whole field flooded. And at the time, I remember thinking that it could be a problem. At the same time, I was pretty happy that I built a house on a truck and I hadn't dug it into the earth, which was my original plan. After that, the following year was really dry, but I suppose not amazingly dry for this area. Then last year happened and the rains mostly failed entirely, and we had a drought that was so bad my neighbour, who's farmed the field next door for the last 40 years, he had to down tools and stop farming for 6 months. He said that was the first time it ever happened in his lifetime. This winter, the rains have mostly failed again. There's been enough showers for the garden to be green and happy, but until this week, my well has been dry. If the rain hadn't come before the end of May, then it would have been unlikely that many of my young trees would have survived another summer. Today has given new hope to lots of little trees, and that makes me really happy. Anyway, if anyone's still watching, then thanks a million for watching till the end, and I wish you a beautiful day wherever you may be. See you next time.